Game Day Grub Showdown.
Are you ready? Let's do it, brother.
Three-time HLN Cookoff loser, Coy Wire, versus Grill Master and Pro Couch Potato, Bob Van Dillen.
Punch the A-gap.
With head referee, Chef Christan Willis. It's a culinary battle for the ages.
If you lose to me, you are a huge loser.
Game on.
Bob, Coy, you guys know the drill. Number one, we're doing 3 rules here. You have to use chicken. Number 2, show me some spice. Give me some bold flavors, right? And number 3, keep it healthy. And it has to be classic football game day food. Let's go.
Let's go!
First up, it's Coy Wire.
All right, Coy, what do you have going on today?
We're gonna do a jerk chicken quesadilla. I didn't pick jerk because of Bob and everything.
Some heavy trash talk. Both contestants are working with Purdue Fresh Cuts chicken breast cutlets, and Coy's marinating his in jerk seasoning.
Do you like spicy?
I love bold flavors. I love heat.
Clearly, Coy is taking note.
We're gonna set it aside, let it kind of soak in the flavors for a bit, and we're gonna work on the salsa.
All right.
Coy's adding cilantro to diced mangoes, a little drizzle of lemon juice,
Get a little bit of that.
and a sprinkle of onion, garlic, jalapeno, avocado, and salt and pepper.
Right on track.
The game heats up as the chicken hits the pan.
Oh, I love that sound.
Been cooking for 1.5 years now.
All right, shred, shred, shred. We're gonna put a little bit of a secret ingredient in there, a little bit of an aioli, but instead of mayo, it's Greek yogurt, salt, pepper, little chunks of garlic.
It's got like 1 million ingredients.
All right, now we're just gonna go put this on a preheated skillet to make that cheese melt, and then all done.
It's now time to hear Bob's game plan.
Coy played for the Bills, right? So what I've got is skewered buffalo chicken with a little bit of blue cheese sauce that I'm gonna make from scratch.
Bob comes out fighting.
Show me what you got.
First little drizzle, you can never have too much of that, you know what I'm saying?
You never know.
And then you take your fresh garlic.
I love that you're using fresh
Gotta
garlic.
be fresh.
A little paprika, granulated salt and pepper, and Bob's chicken is ready for a hot pan.
Now, to make the dip, we're gonna have a good time. All right, here we go. This is what you do.
I spent all night studying the playbook. I think he literally just printed this off Pinterest, like just now.
All right, this is white yogurt, okay?
I think he means plain yogurt.
Now you throw your chili peppers in there.
Bob adds chives, powdered garlic,
Then you add in all your blue cheese, like so. And don't forget about your Worcestershire sauce.
into the grilling pan go the skewers. Bob stirs up his homemade sauce by adding butter and salt to buffalo sauce. Yeah, why not?
Ooh, dog. Just drown it.
Now it's time to check the scorecard.
Ready?
Will it be Bob's buffalo chicken skewers with plain yogurt blue cheese dip?
Getting a lot of spice, a lot of heat, very bold flavors.
Or Coy's jerk chicken quesadillas with a spicy mango salsa?
Freshness, bold. Bob, you came with the heat. Coy, you came with the bold flavors. You also came with the complexity. It's a tough one. We're going with Coy.
A champion at last.
All right, but if that was a pie bake-off, Bob would have won.
Yeah.
Bob would have killed it.
Now I know why Bob had to take some sick days. Takes it really
That
hard.
was to recover from the fun they had.
The defeat.
That was awesome! Go Coy!
I know.
Congratulations.
Now I know that Coy's gonna come over and cooking for us tonight.
Yeah.